Finding life on Mars might be the worst news in human history, because it suggests that our time is running out. Statistically, the galaxy should be teeming with civilizations, yet we find ourselves in an ocean of absolute stillness. This paradox suggests a terrifying reality, that there is a wall in evolution, a barrier so difficult that almost no one survives it. We call this barrier the Great Filter, an evolutionary bottleneck that decides which species rise and which ones simply vanish. The most important question for humanity is simple. Where is the filter located in our timeline, and have we already passed it? If the filter is behind us, then we are the apex predators of the galaxy, the lucky few who survived the impossible odds of early life. Think about the transition from simple cells to complex life, a jump that took 2 billion years on Earth and might be the rarest event in the cosmos. It means the architecture of intelligence is so fragile that billions of other worlds failed before they could even think. But if the filter is ahead of us, our greatest trials are yet to come, and our progress may be an inevitable systemic reset. Every civilization eventually reaches a point of high-energy mastery, where one wrong experiment can fracture the local space-time fabric. The filter could be the moment a species creates an intelligence it cannot control, or an energy source it cannot contain. This is why many scientists fear complex fossils on Mars, for if life is easy to start, then the Great Filter must lie in our future. Every silent star we see could be a tomb, a world that reached our level of technology, only to trigger its own containment. The Great Filter is a target lock engaging on every intelligent species, and so far, no net has survived the countdown. We are broadcasting distorted transmissions into the dark, hoping to find a friend, but we might only find our own reflection. Are we the first to pass the wall, or are we just the next to fall into the absolute silence of the forest? The clock is ticking, and the void is listening, and if we are truly alone, then the weight of the universe rests on our shoulders. Tell me in the comments, do you think our greatest challenge is behind us, or is it waiting in the shadows ahead?